Let's start wrapping the week down. For this week, it was a bit of consolidation that we saw. The Nifty is going home with cuts of almost 70 points, holding on to the lower end of the expected expiry range at around 22,400 itself. For the week, the Nifty is down about 0.75%. The previous week was a positive one. What was the index that lost the most this week? It was the Nifty IT index that lost about 4.5%. So that's the one that really dragged the frontline index. We did see some, outperformance coming in from a couple of other indices. The financial services index gained about 0.66% this week. So today as well, the decline wasn't as much as the other frontline indices. The mid and small cap indices actually were the ones that saw a fair amount of cuts. This week, the mid cap index was down about 2.25%, which basically reversed all the gains that it made in the previous week. The small cap index as well, which the previous week was up around 5%, goes home this week with a cut of 4%. Today specifically, the bigger losers or the bigger draggers were, a couple of these names like Shriram Finance. We saw MotoCorp lower, IndusInd Bank lower, and some selling in the IT space as well, with Wipro being among the top losers. Among the gainers today, a few of them, we had SBI did well and BEL, which gained about 1% on account of some order wins that came by to the tune of 2,500 crores. From the broader markets, PB Fintech, for the second day running, was the stock on the downside, down about 6%. Bharat Forge down about 5% as well. On the way up, we saw some purchase in names like Avenue Supermarts and Varun Beverages. All in all, a weak day for the mid-cap index and the small-cap index, where the Nifty was contained by its losses around the lower level of 22,400 itself. The Nifty Bank outperformed this week. With that, we wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell, this week of market coverage. Wish you all a very happy Holi, and at the same time, ask you not to go anywhere because it is Thursday. We will take a short break. On the other side, our weekly special editor